that class is physical science. It's a sophomore class, and it's basically physics, chemistry light. So during the course of the first semester, we focus mostly on concepts in physics, and in the second semester, chemistry. This chapter they're in right now, they're learning about displacement and speed, and a little bit about acceleration. And so they were, in this case, they were just going to measure the speed. The apparatus they're using, it's actually more for a kinetic potential energy lab, where they look at acceleration.
All right, here we go.
1.62. You got 1.62?
And what makes physical science so fun is that a lot of things that are true in science are not apparent the way our mind and body thinks about things. And this was an example during the lab. There was a moment when they started taking the times, they said, I heard 3 kids say at the same time, they said, they're all the same. Because they'd done a hypothesis. I introduced it yesterday and said, I want you guys to propose a hypothesis, make a prediction on which ramp, if we measure the speed, distance over time, which ramp is gonna have the fastest speed.
But if I ask kids which ball's going faster, most kids are going to say which ball's going faster. This one, right? So if I start them all the same spot, you would expect the short ramp to be out in the lead, right? But if I let them all go at the same time, I was going to let them roll, but that's all right. What they do, they start out, but then what they do by the time they get there.
Just today was a great one to see that simultaneously. I heard 3 kids at the same time say the same thing. And I kind of said something when they're doing it. I was like, that's what we live for.
But if I get it dialed in right, you put those balls down from the same height at the same time, they will be perfectly lined up as they're going to move.
This is how energy interacts with matter in this way, and if you change this part of the equation, and they're kind of standing on their own, and so every time I see kids connecting these fundamental ideas to things going on around them, that's really exciting.